Hey guys, so I'm going to show you an overview on how the space control works. I'm going to be using the new printer, the 8432WT. So I got the space control up, and the space control is a print utility software. It's not a software where you can edit artwork or you can change colors. You got to do that through either Photoshop, Corel, or any art software you're going to use. When you use the space control, you could use PNG, TIFF files, JPEGs, and PSD files. And the beauty with this particular software, it not only allows us to control the white toner. So an example, when you do a dark shirt, you only need 50% white toner instead of 100%. And not only that, it allows us to control the temperature of the fuser when you use our paper. We got about 8 different types of paper, and depending on which one you're going to use, what you want to do is when you're in space control, you want to go to printer settings, and if you notice, it has all the papers here: TTC, T1, OBM, CPM, wallpaper, RST, tattoo, ORD. So depending on the paper you use, it's going to warm up the fuser to a certain temperature where the toner is going to stick to the paper. Just want to show you. So I got an artwork here of a skull. So once you save it through your Photoshop or Corel or whatever software you use, you want to go ahead and grab the artwork and drag it into space control. Okay, now it's loading up. And the good thing is, depending on the paper you use, in this case, I'll be using T1. Okay, so all you got to do is go to printer setting and click on T1 paper. It's right here. And what it does, it loads up all the settings for you. There's no need of guessing what settings you need to print or so on. So once you do that, all you have to do is hit print, and it's going to print to the printer. Another thing the software allows us to do is to auto tile. So if you're doing name badges, you could put so many images on one sheet. Let me give you an example. So if this is a 2x2, and if you hit automatic tile, it's going to fill up the paper as many as it can on that one single sheet. So you could do that. Okay, so once you hit print, this is the printer. You want to make sure that you open the front tray. Okay, and you want to make sure you always also open the back tray. And it's really important that you do this because you want the paper just to go one single pass. You don't want the paper to go up there on top. Okay? So the other important stuff is you can only single feed the sheets. So you just want to go ahead and put it in here. Okay, go ahead and click on line. Now it's going to print. And these printers print so fast. I mean, this is going to come out right now. I mean, it's really quick. And this is how it looks.